Hey folks, it's Jeff from Wickedoil.com. It is 1/25/24. This is my 2015 SG Special. Yes, it has the Robo Tuners, and I don't give a shit what you think about those. It's my guitar. I like them. That's all that matters. 1.8 inch wide nut. The string spacing is the same as normal, but it's got an extra 1/16 of an inch on each side of the strings for bending purposes, stuff like that. Bought this in 2017, the end of 2017. I believe I got it in November 15th, 2017. And it came with the 61 SG whatever replica pickups, and I've always loved them. I really have. Of course, my next statement's going to make you question that. Last year, I believe it was around my birthday, my daughter usually gives me a gift certificate for Guitar Center or something like that, and I bought a set of Seymour Duncan Saturday Night Specials because they, I don't know, they sound great on the internet. And they do rock out. I really dig them when it's wide open, or close to it. Just really get the amp cranked up. And I'm currently playing through a AC-15 with a Weber Alnico Blue Dog in there. And I'm playing straight into it, so when I play here in just a minute, you will hear that. When I put the Duncan pickups in, I also put in these triple shots that I bought like, I don't know, 4 years ago. They've just been sitting. And I finally decided to put them in, and I guess I could give her a review of all that stuff, but this isn't the video for that. Anyway, I haven't been real happy with the Saturday Night Specials. I'm not saying they aren't cool. They are. When I'm jamming out, I really dig them. They're okay in the lower, but I think they're made more for the top end. Anyway, I'm considering on my next string change pulling these out, getting rid of the triple shots. Well, getting rid of them on this guitar, and just going back to my stock pickups because they are so versatile, and so I've always loved them. Oh, I should say, when I put these in here, I also bought Emerson pre-wired kit, wiring kit, new pots and the whole schmear. I would normally rewire my own stuff, but I was like, everything was on, I think it was a 4-year financing, which made it really inexpensive per month. And I thought, what the hell, man? Let's see what somebody else does. I don't know. Something in these may have something to do that's influencing what I don't like here. But the knobs they're pretty stiff. I don't really like that. They're not bad, but anyway. All right, so this is what today's video is about. I decided, I've been looking at this for a long time on the Telecaster because I have a Tele and I'd like to put this on, as I've never been satisfied with the 3 barrels. And I tried compensated barrels, and I've bought several kits, and I keep getting, anyway, they're wrong. Okay, so I saw this. Now this is 2 bills, $200. So this better be pretty good. That's all I can say. But anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can loosen the strings and just screw the anchor off. Or, yeah, I'll probably just loosen them, screw the anchor off, bring it up, and I'm just going to swap out the bridge. And that way, and then I'm going to put it back together with the same anchor, even though this one comes with one. And that way we can do a comparison, and nothing's going to change. The strings aren't going to change, none of that crap. Okay, all I'm going to do is loosen it, take the stuff off. I'm going to change the bridge. I'm going to put it back together, tune it up, and I'm going to set the intonation per their instructions for this thing and play it and just see if I can. I mean, this thing's supposed to be God's gift to the industry. We're going to find out. You're going to be here with me. So let's go ahead and do a quick sound check. We're just over 6 minutes into this, and I'm still yapping, and I do apologize, but I wanted to let you know what's up. So here it is. Let's just play. I'm not even going to do a bunch of combinations. I'm going to play. I'm on the bridge right now, and I've got the amp turned down so that I'm not blasting, because my wife's upstairs doing a online training class she paid for. And I'm just going to play the bridge, and then I'm going to go to the neck, and then I'm going to shut the video off, do the install, and then I'll come back on. So here we go. This is everything's on 10. Let's just make this simple. It doesn't sound bad or anything. It's just, I think I like the other pickups better, but let's do the neck. Let's leave it at that. That's fixing to be 10 minutes. Anyway, Thank you. I'll be back.